Hey, it's AKAJK and today we have another vlog. I find it really hard to stare at the camera because I just woke up. So guys, today I'm going to be heading to school and afterwards I'll be meeting up with my friends and I can bring you guys with me. We're going to be mainly working on the Scholars Cup, but I'll also have to make it interesting for you guys and take you along. So yeah, smash the like button, subscribe to notifications, and let's get right into this vlog. Right fam, so I'm with Adeeb here, Adeeb the Dweeb. And that wasn't my joke, that was this weird kid in school. So anyway, we're walking, sorry about any cars, just these really annoying people that drive on the roads. I don't know who does that. But anyway, we're walking to KFC, because it's what thugs do. And then we're going to revise, because that's what thugs do. So yeah, let's go. Right, so we have my man Asni chilling in KFC. And then we have my man Stratney chilling in KFC. Stratney, really? I just made it up on the spot. That is the KFC menu for any of you that don't know it. Pretty dope, obviously. Most of you people should know what KFC is like. Also, we missed out one ticket yesterday. So it was actually an issue. So like, you go check out yesterday's vlog where I bought like tons and tons of tickets. I missed out one because I counted there's 20 people coming. I excluded myself, so I didn't get 21. So what I'm going to do is, because obviously it's my birthday party, so I'm going to take one of those for me, and then either someone doesn't turn up, or I just buy them a ticket on the day, so we'll see what happens, but like there might be an unlucky person that doesn't get
Clickbait.
He's a hater.
It's clickbait.
Gotta dab on the haters. Cringe alert. Right, KFC with the boys. I mean, the boy, but like, he has his own water bottle. I think that's illegal. Can't bring your own stuff into KFC.
It's broken.
So this just fell on my friend. And he looks happy. It's just so funny. Like, I saw it coming really slowly, but I decided not to tell him anything. Right guys, okay, so I think keep at this angle. Okay, the light keeps changing, I'm sorry about that. But, so we finished, and then we went to Costa with Adeeb, who was the guy that was with me. We studied a little bit for the World Scholars Cup, for maybe 45 minutes. And then he left, and my dad should be coming in like a minute. So it was pretty dope. Hope to do it again soon. And if you guys are enjoying this vlog, so go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe, and turn notifications. And obviously, I'll be sure to do the meme part of the video. You can't forget that. Best part of every vlog. Honestly. It should be every vlogger's segment of the vlog. It should be a meme. I think I'm over-exaggerating a little bit. But if you guys have any memes that you want me to sort of... So if you guys have any memes that you want me to put in one of the videos, then you can just send them to me on either Reddit, on like AKAJK, or just give me a link on YouTube or something like that. Snapchat it to me, AKAJK, all socials in the description down below, and just send it to me somewhere like that so I can put it in the vlog and react to it. So yeah guys, let's go home. So I found the meme of the day, and this time it is a pretty funny one.
I don't know that one.
God, she scared me to death. But anyway, this meme, so it's like a Plants vs Zombies meme, but it's sort of like anyone can get it. So just read it. When you're grinding, it's honestly like you're pretty much maxed out on Plants vs Zombies. So, and when you're grinding, it's just legit funny. So anyway, obviously if you guys have any memes that you want me to react to, you can leave me a link to them in the comment section down below or something like that. Send me them on any social medias. I'll leave all of them in the description down below. I was talking to you previously about a mistake that I made with the tickets. So that is an issue. It's kind of annoying. Obviously it's only one ticket that I missed out. Just made a stupid mistake, 20 people that I invited, and so 20 people confirmed that they can come, so I booked 20 tickets and excluded the one that was me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go most likely on the day. There should be at least one ticket, one seat left. I mean, I'll try to sort of be checking the website every day to make sure. If it gets sort of really like scarce with the amount of tickets that are available, then I'll probably book it online. But if it's fine, then I'll just go on the day, and if someone doesn't turn up, then it's fine, I don't need to buy a ticket. If someone does turn up, so if everyone does turn up, then I'll go and buy the extra ticket for them, and it'll all be fine. But anyways, I think I've sort of rambled on too much about these tickets. Let's hope Infinity War is good. It did get this 9.8 out of 10 IMDb rating, but all of them are from like regular people, and I highly doubt they've actually seen the film. It's probably like Marvel fans sort of spamming the 10, because you can see most of them are just 10s. So I'm going to take that with a grain of salt. And yeah, I'm excited for Infinity War extremely, because I'm a complete Marvel fan and I love movies. I watch too many. Sort of been slowing down over the last week because I've been busy. I've sort of been slowing down over the last week because I haven't watched any movies, which is sort of crazy for me, just because I've had too much work to do, daily uploads. So yeah, next coming weeks I should sort of slow down with the amount of work. We do have some more tests, but anyway guys, still proudly gone. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, you can go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, just so it's extra support for me and I can keep going and making these daily videos for you. And turn notifications so you're notified every single day. I do upload at 4 PM sort of GMT, which is London time. So I hope to see you guys every day from now. And obviously memes, you can let me know in the comment section down below, on my social media description down below, and stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog guys, because here on AKAJK the grind is daily.